Welcome to Hcw. My name is Balraj Agashe and today I am going to talk about the tipping bucket rain gauge along with the data acquisition system. The model which we are going to talk about today is Rs03D. This consists of a tipping bucket rain gauge sensor and the 4G data logger. Let's go a little bit deep into the tipping bucket rain gauge sensor. The shell is made out of FRP, which is UV stabilized for long field life. It is a two-part shell. The top half has a ring, the collector ring, through which the rainwater is collected. The rainwater flows through this funnel and enters the sensor funnel through this top. It tips the buckets in either direction to send the signals, which are then transferred to the data logger and sent to the server. Let's look at the base of this tipping bucket. Under the base, you will find that there is a mounting bracket. This is provided for easy installation on the side. This sits directly on the square pole mounted at the side with the through holes provided on either side. The sensor is made out of stainless steel base, stainless steel brackets, and the one-piece die-molded polycarbonate bucket. On the bracket, there is this magnetic reed sensor, and below the bucket you will find there is a magnet. Let's understand how this works. As the rain gauge is mounted on pole on side, the rainwater enters through this top ring. As I explained, it flows through the funnel into this bucket. The weight of the water tips the buckets on either sides. This magnetic reed sensor, for every tip, sends a data point to this 4G data logger. I'm going to take this out. The sensor plate is mounted on the base with the help of 3 screws. With the removal of the top nuts, we can take out the sensor. Now, as you can see, this is the magnetic reed sensor along with the magnet placed under the bucket. For every 0.5 mm of rainfall, the bucket gives one tip, sending the data point to the data logger. This is in turn transmitted to the server and delivered to the customer. At the time of installation, first we install this base plate on the pole, which is installed on the side. On top of that, we fix the sensor and with the help of these thumb nuts, we fix the base plate. Once this is done, we have to make sure that the sensor cable comes out from the base at the bottom end through the hole provided at the base of the rain gauge. Thereafter, we'll close it with the top half of the shell and we can lock it on side. It's as simple as that, the installation of this rain gauge sensor. Let's understand the working of data logger system. This will consist of a housing, a data logger, and an antenna provided. The data logger works on a 12-volt power supply, which is provided by the solar panel and the battery combination provided on site. There is an antenna provided, which can be screwed on the data logger. This will help the data logger to catch the network with a better strength. On the same side, where we screw in the antenna, there is a port for the SIM card. This is where we install the SIM card. As the data logger receives periodic data from the rain gauge, it sends the data to server every hour or the set interval by the client.